Michael, I get control of the show.
You take it. Take control. I'll keep quiet. I have not answered you.
Keep quiet.
Yes.
Because we were having a really decent discussion with this gentleman.
Until he came.
With a lot of noise.
Yeah. Yes. Was there no noise?
Talking like you pay my rent? Benji, yes, I had asked Dr. Ari about bottom line, what needs to be done to the schools. He gave me his answer. What is your answer, Benji, right now? What's the most important thing? Other than shut the schools down and call that time out.
We must not prevaricate on serious issues. We must not compromise and try to appease cartels. The president ought to come out and provide leadership, and first of all, provide the greatest protection to his star minister, who is doing the best possible job in this ministry. That is as a first step. Following that, we can now have concessions and a way forward, and in acknowledgement that kids are not learning. But it's not the kind of thing that Honorable Raila did today, which is to criticize the minister and say, and justify and say that this is because of the radical measures of the minister. No, radical problems require radical solutions. And radical is not a dirty word. Radical means radical means going to the root cause of a problem. In Kenya, it's a dirty word.
No.
Go ahead, Dr. Ari.
When the minister took those radical measures, there was no banning of schools. If he had taken those measures because he was responding to banning of schools, we would have understood. So you must give it to the other national leaders, yourself and I included,
yes,
to opine on this very serious thing. It is so complex that before we brush off any suggestion by any leader, let us do it at a stakeholders.
But why it's bigger than us?
Yes, it's bigger than us.
Okay, real quick. I'm going to switch gears real quick because we don't have that much time. But let me ask you this, Dr. Ari, moving forward.
Yes.
The middle Dr. Ari.
Yes.
Moving forward.
Yes.
The only Dr.
The real Dr. Ari.
You see, he's a medical doctor. He's a medical doctor. He treats patients. I treat souls like you.
Senator.
Yeah.
You're a psychiatrist?
Political scientist. Treats people like parishioner. Yes. Leave it. You see one of, at least you are very good. But this one, what has he got? Nothing to say.
Everything. You don't know nothing.
This is everything. Can I ask you a question? You first.
Yes.
Moving forward.
Yeah.
If the election were held in the next month or so, and a year away is like the next month or so, would you believe retain the presidency?
No.
Give me your thoughts why.
And I'm so well convicted on this that today we as the opposition, we drive the national agenda.